Welcome to part 2 on how to clean your couch at home series. Here I mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide, and a teaspoon of dish soap. I am using my small pot lid with a towel to scrub this part. This is the dirt that is coming out on my first try. I added the baking soda mixture for the second time. I haven't cleaned my couch for a while because I wanted to test vinegar versus baking soda in cleaning a couch. This is the dirt on the first towel. I took another clean towel and applied the mixture again. To rinse, I sprayed and sucked out the water using the little green Thistle vacuum. Here is the spot looking clean. Check out part 3 where I tested using both vinegar and baking soda to clean the back of the couch.